Imagine traveling at the speed of light forever. Would you ever hit a wall? Or does the universe just keep going and going and going? All right, let's tackle one of the biggest questions in science. Does the universe have an edge? Or is it infinite? Think about that for a second. We live on a planet which is part of a solar system, which is part of a galaxy, which is one of countless galaxies in the cosmos. But where does it all end? First, let's talk about what we actually know. Based on observations, the universe is expanding. That means galaxies are moving farther apart from each other over time. But here's the thing, expansion doesn't necessarily mean there's a boundary. Think of it like baking raisin bread. As the dough rises, the raisins move apart, but the bread itself doesn't have an edge. It just gets bigger. Now, if the universe is finite, what could its shape be? Scientists have a few wild theories. One idea is that the universe could be like a giant donut. Yes, a cosmic donut. In this scenario, if you traveled in a straight line long enough, you'd end up back where you started. No edges, just a loop. Trippy, right? But here's where it gets even weirder. If the universe is infinite, that means no matter how far you go, there's always more space, more galaxies, more everything. And if that's true, then somewhere out there, there's an exact copy of you reading an exact copy of this script. Infinite possibilities mean infinite versions of reality. That's not science fiction. It's a real theory called the infinite multiverse. So, how do we figure this out? Well, scientists look at the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Tiny patterns in this light might hold clues about the universe's shape and size. But so far, the evidence suggests the universe is flat and could very well be infinite. Here's the catch. We may never know for sure. The observable universe has limits because light hasn't had enough time to travel farther than 13.8 billion years, the age of the universe. Beyond that, it's a mystery. Maybe the cosmos goes on forever, or maybe there's some bizarre boundary we can't even comprehend. One thing's certain, the more we learn, the more questions we have. And that's the beauty of science. The universe doesn't owe us easy answers, but the search, that's what makes it exhilarating. Do you think the universe is infinite or finite? Drop your theories in the comments. Let's geek out over space together.